Hey guys, what's up? Today I am just looking out back, and it is New Year's. It's midnight right now. So let's watch these fireworks. Our neighbor is shooting them off in our backyard. It'll come in a second.
Probably hard to light it when it's cold.
There's lights down there, and that's them.
There we go.
They're probably super cold.
There we go.
I'm even cold just standing by the
What's
window.
that one? The,
What?
the high one.
It's so cold in here, guys. What the heck? That wasn't... You guys ready? Here it comes.
I don't know if it'll do anything else.
Look at that. Look how much smoke. I don't know if you guys can see the smoke, but there's so much smoke. Oh, here's some fireworks. Well, it's just those popping out back there. Oh my God, there's so much smoke up there. I don't know about you guys, but it is so cold in here. Probably because this window is not good. But this is cool. I know you're not seeing a lot, but there was a lot.
It was loud.
Yeah, it was loud. You can hear a lot of them if you're here. If you're at my house, you can literally hear so many of them talking. And these fireworks are literally so loud because they're in our backyard. Well, we don't really own the backyard, but they're literally setting it off in the backyard.
I think that might be it with the big ones.
Yeah, they might set off some other ones, but... Oh, wait.
That's it.
Some person just yelled Happy New Year. Again? So that was 2 times. 2 times. Let's see if they yell Happy New Year's one more time. 4 times, or 3 times. Goodbye, guys.
There's fireworks going off all around.
I'll see y'all next time. Goodbye.